A miniature pig is a breed of pig developed and used for medical research or for use as a pet. Miniature pigs weigh between 32 pounds to 75 pounds when fully grown, while farm pigs may weigh more than 700 pounds. They were first used for medical research in Europe before being introduced to the United States in the 1980s. Since then, the animals have been used in studies by scientists around the world, and have also risen in popularity as companion animals. History: in the 1960s, pigs that grew to be 150 euro 200 pounds were sent to zoos in Western nations and were used for medical research in the fields of toxicology, pharmacology, pulmonology, cardiology, aging, and as a source of organs for organ transplantation. These small pigs were easier to work with than the larger farm pigs, which typically reach weights of 300 pounds to 500 pounds. Pot-bellied pigs also became a fixture in many zoological parks where their small stature, sway backs, and pot-bellies attracted the attention of visitors. The purchase of a few pot-bellied pigs by wealthy pet owners helped start a new trend in pet pigs. The popularity of miniature pigs grew in the 1980s, with pet pot-bellied pigs appearing everywhere from New York apartment complexes to small hobby farms. However, the trend was short-lived, mostly due to city ordinances forbidding raising farm animals within the city limits. Furthermore, many owners came to realize that even a 165-pound pig was difficult to handle in most housing situations. The 1990s and 2000s saw a rising trend of marketing pet pigs that were supposed to be much smaller than even the pot-bellied pigs, and therefore suitable pets for house and apartment owners. While multiple animal protection groups and pig breeders question or deny the existence of true miniature pigs, there are currently breeders selling piglets claimed to be miniature pigs in North America and in the United Kingdom. In the mid-1980s, Keith Connell of the Beaumarneville Zoo in Ontario imported breeding pot-bellied pigs to Canada, which became the foundation for the pot-bellied pig in North America. Because of customs laws, only their offspring could be sold in the United States. U.S. zoos were the main target for the piglets, but private owners soon began purchasing them as pets. Up to 5 additional imports were made in the following 10 years. To track the pedigrees, the Pot-Bellied Pig Registry Service, Incorporated was created to preserve these bloodlines and establish a breed registry in the United States. This registry was dissolved in the late 1990s. The Miniature Pot-Bellied Pig Registry Service, Incorporated was established in 1993 to provide a registry for those pigs who were pedigreed in the PPRSI and met the breed standard, when fully grown not being more than 15 inches tall and weighing under 55 pounds. All of the Foundation pigs were dual-registered in PPRSI and MPPRSI. On May 2015, the China Academy of Agricultural Science announced that its research team had successfully produced F25 of inbred Chinese Wissahian mini pig, with an inbreeding coefficient of 0.99519. Medical research: miniature pigs have been used for medical research, including toxicology, pharmacology, pulmonology, cardiology, and aging. As pets, miniature pigs, also known as micro pigs, pocket pigs, and/or teacup pigs, have seen an increase in popularity as pets, especially following Paris Hilton's attempt to purchase one in 2009. They are intelligent animals and can be house-trained. They do not shed and tend to keep themselves clean. Micro pigs can potentially make great pets, but there are considerably more risks involved when buying a micro pig over other common pets, such as cats or dogs. The biggest concern is that, since there is no established breed of teacup pig, there is no guarantee that the pig sold as such will actually stay small. The risk of ending up with a large pig can be somewhat minimized by looking at the pig's parents and grandparents if possible. If they are on the smaller side, the odds are better that the pig will remain small. However, since pigs can breed years before they fully mature, unscrupulous or ignorant breeders may show off parent pigs which are not fully grown themselves, so have not reached their full adult size. Some breeders may falsely claim that a mini pig is guaranteed to stay under a certain weight, and sometimes will recommend a diet regimen that starves the animal and unnaturally stunts its growth. In 2012, the Juliana Pig Association and Registry was officially founded. This registry is concerned with the lineage and breeding of a subset group of miniature pigs called Juliana pigs. JPAR records lineage, size, and age on every pig entered and has an online database that is open to the public. JPAR has a breed standard, code of ethics for responsible breeding, and consequences to falsification of information for farms that make false claims about their pigs. As JPAR grows, so does the consistency of this particular breed of miniature pig. Some towns and cities have ordinances disallowing farm animals within city limits. A pig is usually considered a farm animal regardless of its size. As well, many small animal vets will not treat pigs. Since these animals have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years, they require long-term commitment. Due to their ability to bond, combined with their need for attention, people who have limited time for a pet may find a pig far more than they can handle. Additionally, if pet pigs are not properly trained when they are young, just like a dog, they can strive for dominance and become aggressive. There are multiple animal rescue organizations set up to find new homes for pet pigs which have grown too large or otherwise unmanageable for their owners. Other notable references: a Yucatan miniature pig is the unofficial mascot of the Animal Rescue League of Boston. The world's smallest wild pig species is believed to be the 28 inches long wild pygmy hog which lives in Assam, India. It is an endangered wild species, not appropriate for domestication. References